Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka SCAB kalayo bandra ekanam job kum ka champion haka under-16 boys inter-district cricket tournament. Hadian bakalapan liam no yaka TDCA the pra wicket haka jingkun final kebralong hamadan that mukla mission haka hanyo tarik jemang. Yaka ni kadumpung ya kai cricket lepenong deka Meghalaya Cricket Association ban penyat ne host deka West Giant Hills District Cricket Association. Ka TDCA kala job yaka toss bat kala rai ban tiet ningkong Hendrei ka jing tebit jong kinong kawang ball ka SCAB kala kamai tang shis pa handu run bat liam baro shipa wicket haka sub huwei point saw over. U aniket podar ulalong unong tiet bakan saitam naka TDCA dakba ula kamai live huwei run naka saw pusaw ball udawang kam CH marak ula senyang daka bakamai arpusan run naki arpulai ball. U araf baraili u captain jong ka SCAB ula yo ban khor live wicket naki khandai point saw over bat long unong kawang ball bat betam. Ka SCAB hababe ya kathong kala kamai shispa khandai run naka arpu ar point r over usuraj chetri ulele kai bha bat lamden ti ka ganhun chaga jingjop daka batiet hanyop hui run naka hanyop khandai ball. Kat bau aniket podar ula kharwit ar wicket naki pra over. Ya kanam player of the match bakanam best batsman lakhur da usuraj chetri ubala kamai lai spa hantu pra run hakani ka tournament. Ya kanam best bowler layo du aniket podar ubala yo penhap ar pasaw wicket habaro ka tournament bat ula yo ru ya ka khusnam player of the tournament. Hakani ka singila sami ki khusnam do MLA ka jawai uba wailat miki shila ubalong kumukong san hagajinan lang uba krobok pasa assistant director of sports kumusembut kongsan. Laidan lang ru uba ar khar kamni honorary secretary ke MCA uba Eddie Stone shila president ke WJHDCA bat kiwei.
Keep working hard because this is just the beginning. Most of you are nearly 14-15 years of age. So you have a good future ahead. And especially you have seen that in cricket, it's not only a game, it's a career. And especially Meghalaya, you know that none of our players are there in the national stage. So it's a huge opportunity for you. We really like to see one of you in the near future playing for our country. It will be a great pride for all of us for you to represent our state Meghalaya in the national stage. Big step, especially for the district, because in the past we have not had such kind of a tournament. So I think it will really give an encouragement to our youth, to our players who have high interest in playing cricket. I'd like to place my sincere thanks to the AD Sonshalla, who is the president of the West Giant Hill District Association. Under his leadership, we can say today this program, it's a great success. And also I would like to thank all the members of the West Giant Hill District Cricket Association for all the hard work have been put in, because we do understand, especially in this rainy season, it's not easy. So really I'm very thankful to all of them for the smooth conduct of this tournament.